Hello guys, hello childrens, how are you? I hope you will be fine. So today we're gonna make ice cream cone. That will be look delicious for you. So first of all we have to uh, draw a U shape, the upper side U shape, and be careful while drawing. Here we have to start and try to make it complete U shape. This okay, so I do it more down here and here as well. Okay, so this is I had made now. So now we have to make its delicious part, like the downside here, and we have to match it as well, like here. Okay, so now it's turn of making a V shape of the cone of this ice cream. So here I will start, and it's you have to do it almost center here. Okay, so that will be easy for you to dot here, and you can start from here and come down, and we have to meet this point. So as well from here we have to start here, come down and meet this point as well. So now it's we have made it. So now we will turn to make a face of this cone. It's amazing part. So now we have to draw two eyes, two circles. Okay, two circles here and here. Okay, we have drawn. So now you have to draw one small circle and one more small circle, the both eyes. Okay, and here as well one more and one more, and we have to fill it the remaining part, and we have to leave the eyes inside. Okay, so you can see here, yeah, I am filling. So okay, yeah, it's almost filled. Okay, so now it's turn to make a smiley face. Okay, so the important part is you have to enjoy while driving. While drawing you have to enjoy it, how I'm making. So now we have to fill it with color. Okay, so we take it. Yep, delicious. This one I think so will be good color. I have this color. It's okay, it's almost orange. Yeah, so we have to draw now. So now we draw it, and I make it after that. So childrens, you can see now it's looking so really amazing and delicious. It's ready for eating. So this is the ice cream cone. You can follow my channel and have fun a lot. Thanks for watching my video. Be careful until the next video. Bye.